Welcome to Sad Educare. We are starting a new video for Cambridge Primary Mathematics Learners Book 3. Today we will start Unit 3, Exercise 3.2. Our topics subtraction. Let's start. Question 1. Use 3 digits 4, 6, 8 to make 2-digit number and a digit number. Subtract the single digit number from 2-digit number. Show your method. So it's a simple thing. Here is 3 digit 4, 6, 8. Suppose we take 2 digit like 6 and 8. So it's a 68 and left 4. So we just subtract these 2 digit to single digit, which is 4. Our answer will be 64. Very simple. But here mention, can you find and solve the 6 possible calculation? Yes, it's possible. Let's see. I already made this one. Look, here is 4, 6, 8. First we take 4, 6. So balance 8, 4, 6 minus 8, it will be 38. Again we take 4 and 8, so subtract 6, so 48 minus 6 is a 42. Same 6, 4, 64, so we will subtract to 8. 64 minus 8, it will be 56, right? Same 68 minus 4, 64. Now we take 8 and 4, so 84. Then we will subtract to 6. 84 minus 6, it will be 78. And finally 86 minus 4, it will be 82. It's a simple thing. Similar question number 2. Use the 4 digits, which is 3, 5, 7 and 9 to make a 3-digit number and 1-digit number. Subtract the single digit number from the 3-digit number. Show your method. Similar thing, here is 3, 5, 7, 9. Suppose we take 5, 7, 9. This is a 3-digit. Now single digit, here is 3. We will subtract from 7, 5, 7, 9. Our answer will be 5, 7, 6. So similar, here is also mentioned, find and solve at least 6 of the possible calculation. Let's see. Here is, look, 3, 5, 7, 9. So first we take 3, 5, 7. So balance 9. We will subtract this one. 3, 5, 7 minus 9, 3, 4, 8. We take 3, 9, 5 minus 7, 3, 8, 8. We take 5, 7, 9 minus 3. So answer will be 5, 7, 6. We take 7, 3, 9. So we will subtract 5. So 7, 3, 9 minus 5, it will be 7, 3, 4. 9, 5, 3 minus 7, 9, 4, 6. And finally 7, 9, 5 minus 3, it will be 7, 9, 2. It's not so hard. Just here is 3 digit and here is 4 digit. From here we will take 2 digit, right? And here we take 3 digit. And single digit we will subtract from 2 digit or 3 digits. Very simple. So number 1 and 2 done. Number 3. 178 cartons of milk are delivered to the store. 25 of them are damaged. How many cartons of milk can the store sell? Estimate the calculate. Show your method. Look, here is 178 cartons and damaged 25 cartons. So actual calculation will be actual calculation. Actual calculation, it will be 1 78 minus 25, right? So answer will be 153. But here mention estimate the calculate. So estimate so 178 estimate 78 to it will be 180, right? And 25 it will be next 10 digit, it means 30. So answer or calculation 180 minus 30, answer will be 150. So actual answer is 153 and estimate answer is 150. Clear? It's a normal thing. Next, number 4. 262 melons are delivered to the store, but 37 of them are damaged. How many melons can the store sell? So damaged and already delivered. So actual 262 minus 37. So what will be the answer? 12 minus 7 is a 5, carry 1 4, 6 minus 4 is a 2 and 2. So this is our actual 225. And what about estimate? So 262 we can write around 262 to it will be what? Once estimate it will be 60 and round here is 37 to what? It should be 40. So estimate result subtraction result 0, 6 minus 4 is a 2 and 2. This is our estimate result. You can use here also round, R-O-U-N-D, and here also round, right? Round 172 to 180 and round 25 to 30. So once calculation 180 minus 30, similar here after calculation 260 minus 40 it will be 220, right? It's an estimate and actual 225. Similar question. One Tuesday the post office has 472 parcels for delivery. A van take 267 of the parcel. How many parcels are still at the post office? Estimate then calculate, show your method. So we can write the post office has 472 parcels for delivery. So we can write like total parcels what? 472, right? Taken, a van takes 267 of the parcel, so taken how many? 267, right? So actual calculation, actual we can write in here actual. So how many parcel are still at the office? Actual calculation, or we can say actual in bracket we can write still in the office. How many? 472 minus 267, so answer will be 205. This is actual, right? And estimate we can write like round 472 to 470, right? And round 267 to 270, right? So estimate result or estimate what? Estimate parcel in the office. Office how many? 0 minus, all are minus, subtraction, so 0 0 and 2. Here answer is 200, it's the estimate result, and 205 is actual result. Okay, so number 5 done. Number 6, on Friday the post office has 683 parcels for delivery. A van take 548. How many parcels are still at the post office? Estimate, then calculate, show your method. It's a totally similar math, right? So first we can write, we can write like this, total parcel, right? Total parcel, how many? 683. Van taken or just taken, how many? 548. So actual calculation we can make in here. Actual, still in office, because here mention how many parcel are still at the post office. So still in office, how many? Here is 683 minus 585, 548, sorry, 548. So here is 135. This is actual. So what about estimate? Estimate we can write here. Estimate. Here round 683 to what? 680. Round 548 to what? 550. Result. So 680 minus 650, the answer will be 135. Now is it? No. Here is 0 and 0, right? 0 and 0. So here is 130. So actual result is 135 and estimate result is 130. Okay, so very simple. So ultimately we have completed our today's topics, which is subtraction exercise 3.2 unit 3. But we have a something like Faisal split some ink on the ones digit in his calculation. So look, it's a very interesting thing, right? 4 9, it's a blank, we don't know, minus 14, again blank, we don't know, because split some ink on one digits, but we know the results, which is 345. So actually what is the result? What could his calculation have been? Did you find all the possibilities for Faisal's calculation? Compare your solution with those of other learners in your class. So look, our target to make 345, but here is 2 digit is clear and last digit is not clear. Similar 14, it means first 2 digit is clear but last digit is not clear. So we can write, we can take, suppose we can consider 4 9, here is 5. Here, if here is 5, if we put 0, so 5 minus 0 is a 5, 9 minus 4 is a what? 495, and what? Here is 14, right? 14. So it's not possible. 5, if we put 5, it's not possible. So we can change this one, or we can write 5 is not possible. If 5 not possible, so 0 also not possible. So you can change and think yourself. Look, if we put here 4, so 4 9 4, in this case we can put here 9 because 4 is smaller than 9, so we consider this is 14. 14 minus 9 is a 5, carry 1, so 9 and this 4 become 5. 9 minus 5 is a 4, and 4 minus 1 is a 3 4 5. So let's think some possible answer like 4 9, and here is we can put 3. If we put 3, so it's a smart thing, here is 9, we can put 8, so result will be similar. Same 4 9 2, we can put here 1 4 7, similar 3 4 5. Again 4 9 what, 4 9 1, we can put 4 9 6, similar result 3 4 5, right? And finally if we put here 0, and here should be like 4 9 0, and here should be 1 4 what, 5, and result will be same 3 4 5. So like this way you can find out the missing digit. Okay, so no more today. I am trying to solve 3.2 subtraction. Next video I will come to solve exercise 3.3. Till then, keep practice, take care of your son or daughter. Especially these types of math is not so hard, just need keep concentration. Okay, thank you very much. Please subscribe my channel, which is Saad Educare, and look at this Saad. Saad is my son name, so pray for him. Thank you.